23rd December, and then he also cleared IMA CDS on 29th January. 26th January.
Yes, sir. Stories are
And only one candidate clearing. इसमें नहीं, उसमें मालूम.
इसमें मालूम.
So 20th. So we'll hear his story. We'll learn from his story. A story of a lot of hard work, sincerity, from a very simple, humble family, right? So when you are from a simple, humble background, only thing which pays you is your hard work and sincerity. Nothing else. Okay. And if you have lots of money, your parents have lots of money, then there are some other things. If not this, then they have some options open for you. But when you are from a simple family, you know that I have no options. Right? Then you sincerely work hard and you get success. The bottom line of the story is that whoever works hard, right, gets success. It may be a little late, but he will get success. Okay, let's start the ceremony, and he's got some sweets also. Yeah. Easy. Monitor may be called as
Commanders.
you have to command the class.
A lot of change has been made. पीछे.
Right, so let's start. अभी एक class बाकी है संदीप sir की.
Okay, please,
Right.
no more noise.
That will be a short
Call.
class, but before that, Sparsh is with us. He is on his way to join Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and Sparsh cleared his first SSB from 22 SSB for NCC entry. This was on November 2023, December, 23 December, and the next SSB he went to was on IMA, and that was on 26 January 2024, where he was successful in both these SSBs, in both cases merited, right? And now he is going to join Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, very short. So since and he's a graduate of BSc PCM from Bareilly College and belongs to Almora district. Okay. So without any further ado, I'll go over to him, hand over the mic, and request him to share his experience of both the SSBs. And for you as a listener, you must jot down some important points which he's sharing. What are things he was asked? How did he conduct himself? What was his modus operandi of preparation? All those things are very important part of candidate's journey to clear SSB. Okay, so over to you. Once you have about 10 minutes time. Keep it short, but keep the main points in mind. What you can actually pass.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sparsh Singh Devdi. I belong to Almora, Uttarakhand. So I did my, as sir said, I did my BSc from Bareilly College, Bareilly. I did 3 years of NCC, did 11 camps also. I'm a national bronze medalist in map reading. I'm a district basketball player also. So I cleared my SSB on my 11th attempt and 12th attempt. I was screened out 6 times. And before this 11th attempt, which I got recommended from, I was continuously 3 times screened out, including CDS IMA entries. So it was a heartbreak for me. I went to the SSB where I did my return ticket also of the first day only for my 11th attempt.
अभी भी स्क्रीन आउट हो जाएंगे.
स्मार्ट हो जाएंगे तो देख लेंगे, चले जाएंगे, घर क्या है, आदत हो गई है. So gave my attempt as free mind. Yes sir. So I got screened in, and मेरा पहले भी ऐसा attempt रहा है after this Hamas 47 batch, where I was confident that I'll get recommended in that 1 year SSB Dehradun. But unfortunately something happened in my interview or conference. My conference went for 35 minutes sir, in that AFSB.
On the margin.
On the margin sir. So I was pretty sure that if I get screened in, I will do good in the SSB. So I gave my best in that SSB also. Everything went well. बस लोग के साथ चलते गए. whatever I learned from here, from Amas, I just revised that only. कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करने की मेरे को ज़रूरत पड़ी नहीं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐसा कुछ वहाँ पूछा जाता नहीं है. Whatever you learn from here, remember this, keep revising it. Add on some things from your side, make the stories, words from your side. आपके लिए बेनिफिट रहेगा उस चीज़ का, क्योंकि आप you will remember it longer. So I gave my attempt well. My interview went for 1 hour and 15 minutes. But be calm and composed in whatever situation you are. Take one task at a time. Even it is screening. अगर आपका OIR है, चाहे आपका yes, हाँ, so the interviewer, he was senior interviewer, so he asked me about have you taken any coaching earlier? So I said yes sir, I have taken coaching. From where? So I said I took coaching from Academy of Military Aptitude and Skills. So he said हैं ये कहाँ है? मैंने भी नहीं करा. मैंने कहा अमास सर, अमास नोएडा, तो ये बोलना वाला. So it was a funny experience in the interview also. It went for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Many questions were there, cross questions were there, even on my personality, on my education, GS, GK. So prepare that in advance. Prepare your CIQs first of all in advance, because CIQ is your first image in front of the interviewer. आप अगर अपने CIQ को 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार लिख के जाएंगे, you will not forget the sequence or the material you have wrote in that. So वो सब आप प्रिपेयर करके जाएं पहले से. स्क्रीनिंग में for those who are not getting screened in, जैसे मैं स्क्रीन आउट हो रहा था, so keep your mind cool, calm and composed. I was also desperate to get screened in. Don't be desperate. It will harm you only. आप क्या कर रहे हो आपको नहीं पता चल रहा है, but the assessors who are sitting in front of you will notice each and everything, every single minute detail of yours. So keep calm, composed and give your best. और ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है. Give your best. उसके आगे आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. जो टास्क है आपका टास्क लीजिए. Take one task at a time. वो हो गया, अच्छा हुआ, बुरा हुआ, doesn't matter. Move on to the next task. So आप अगर टैग देते हैं, वेट देते हैं, एक टास्क एक बार में देखिए, कैसा भी हुआ है, वेट आप छोड़े तो ऐसा लगे कि 3-4 आप मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम छोड़े. मेक एनी सेंटेंस विच इज मीनिंगफुल इन द वेट. दैट तो यहाँ जो आपने किया है इन माई दैट AFSP 9 pictures out of 11 were from this my Amas 47 batch only. In the 32 Jalandhar attempt, 8 pictures were there who I was already prepared. 20 SSB preview also, it was like 6 or 7 pictures which I prepared beforehand only. So that आप यहाँ से अच्छे से करिएगा. Make your own stories. Take the ideas from the class, जैसे डिस्कस होता है among yourself. Take the ideas from the class कि ओके ये जनरल लाइन है इस पिक्चर की, उस पर आप खुद एक्शंस ढूंढे, एक्शंस बनाए. You will remember it for a longer time. वेट ज़्यादा ना छोड़ें. SRTs, do minimum 40 SRTs because you will have a margin of 10 to 15, 40 to 45 minimum आपको करनी है. 30 is the lowest number of SRTs जो आपकी करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. So take the margin of 10 to 15 SRTs. SD तो आप you will prepare beforehand only. So this was the psychology test. GTO में जाएंगे, सेम बात, keep your calm, don't interrupt others, listen to others carefully. You will get time. जैसे ही 2-3 बंदों ने बोला, even if you think that the group is very dominating, 1 or 2 people you will face that are very dominating. उनकी सुनो, उसको 5 मिनट, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना बोलेगा, 5 मिनट। जैसे ही आपको मौका मिले उनकी आवाज़ जो है वो थोड़ा सा स्लो हो, गिव योर पॉइंट इंस्टेंटली, डोंट वेट, गिव योर पॉइंट इंस्टेंटली। हाँ, अगर आपको कट करता है तो डोंट बिहेव इन अ रूड मैनर, यू नो, फिनिश, लेट मी फिनिश फर्स्ट, और बी पोलाइट। जो GTO है दे विल नोटिस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ यू। आपने कैसा कंटेंट बोला है, कितने टाइम में बोला है, हाउ वाज योर बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स द ग्रुप। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, GTO इज नॉट एन इंडिविजुअल टास्क, remember it. GTO will see how you are behaving with the group. First of all, group task है, ground task है, group में आप अगर अच्छे से maintain कर रहे हैं तो you will not have any problems. PGT, HGT, command task, I don't think anyone is better than sir to teach you. So उसकी तो आप टेंशन ना लें, but make so learn that well. जो यहाँ आपको GTO टास्क सिखाए जाएंगे, तो उस आइडिया को जो है, उन आइडियाज़ को अप्लाई करने का सोचें। बाकी जो आप लोग GTO टास्क बना रखे हैं यहाँ पर, उसमें अप्लाई करने का सोचें कि हाँ, मैं ये अगर नहीं होगा, इफ GTO रिमूव्स रोप, देन हाउ आई विल डू इट, ठीक है ना। तो वो तो सर आपको अच्छे से सिखाई देंगे। GTO, उसके आगे लेक्चरेट, प्रिपेयर लेक्चरेट्स, तो सर ने आपको बता दिया होगा हाउ यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द लेक्चरेट। हाँ, सो प्रिपेयर द लेक्चरेट, स्पीक ऑन द टॉपिक इवन इफ यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक्स completely, you will have some ideas on 1 or 2 topics. Elaborate the material that you have on that topic. Be confident, speak well. That is the all that counts there. So lecture आप beforehand prepare करके जाएंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा।
Any advice for the conference?
Conference, you have done almost everything that you have to do. So don't take pressures or anything. अगर आपको इंटरव्यू या फिर GTO में कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं that you were not able to answer, prepare it. But conferences like you have done everything, they have made up your result. So be calm there also. Don't show that you are in a panic, you are in a distress, you know. So be calm. जो होगा वो तो देखा जाएगा, 5 मिनट बाद आपको रिजल्ट पता ही चल जाना है। सो इन द दैट ऑल्सो डोंट पैनिक।
Anyone has any questions also can ask. Anyone have any questions?
In general, you have any questions, so ask. Yes. Yes.
Since you have appeared for so many SSBs, the IU must have asked you that what went wrong in your last SSB.
Yes,
How
yes.
did you answer
Yes.
this?
Every interviewer have asked me this. The 20 SSB interviewer asked me this, that in the first 8 attempts, sir, I have like odd even.
Screen out,
Conference out is not. Conference out is not. So he said that, Sparsh, I see that you are very inconsistent in your attempts. And I said, no sir, I am continuously 3 times screen out also. so
He laughed.
he laughed. So that was not the case.
So what did you answer?
Ah,
How did you handle this?
The thing was, I said that I was very desperate, sir. Desperate to get in, desperate in the task. I told him that I was performing on a like lower side because of that. So this time I have prepared well, I have managed, I am keeping my calm that okay, whatever happens, I will give my best and not show this desperation. Right? So this was it.
Sir, how is life at Putty Chennai?
See, how you guys live here, you don't get like time to sleep, right? There also is the same. Will not आपको 4-5 घंटे मिल भी जा रहे हैं अगर आपने काम कर लिया तो you will not get time in the academy, even eat. You have next appointments, you have next engagements, and ऐसे time